So I made a series of videos yesterday, but the original videos I think became corrupt. So I'm doing a bit of a catch up from yesterday, so this audio might be slightly different to the other videos. I apologise. I think recapping, for the first time, because this actually might be the first video you watch, is just kind of what I recommend you do to set Chrome, which I recommend as your default browser. So what we're going to do is open Chrome. You can either do that from your desktop app, or if you go to the Start button and search for Google Chrome, select it, and you can see here that it comes up with set as your default browser. So I'm going to press set as your default browser and I'm going to select Chrome. Now Windows 10 is a little bit sneaky and it says to try out Edge. So the try out button looks like the dominant button, but we're going to switch anyway. And we can cross that off. So that's how I set Chrome as your default browser.